Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll show you how you can use two separate logos for the regular menu and the sticky menu. So for example, if I scroll down the page, now this is the sticky menu. I want to show a different logo. So first I'd like to talk about the use case for it. For example, here I have used the logo with the text Joomla. I mean the whole thing is a logo. So if you want to use only the logo without the text for the sticky, like I will scroll and the text will be hidden and there will be only the Joomla logo. So for this case I'll be using a CSS trick. So for this I'll go to Shaper Helix Ultimate, template options, then custom code, and in the custom CSS I will use this CSS. Now I'll reload the page. I have given the CSS in the description box for you to check. So now if I scroll down, you see that the text is hidden. There is only the Joomla logo is shown. So what is the trick here? The trick is I have used two images for this. If we inspect this, there is my main logo, and when I scroll down, then the sticky menu is active. Now my logo opacity is 0, that means it will not be shown. And in the anchor tag, I have used a background image which is only the Joomla logo. So basically I am using two images for this. So I hope you will like this short tutorial. For more tips and tricks on Helix Ultimate and SP Page Builder, please follow my playlist. If you have any feedback, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much.